Asante sana. I don't know whether to read my speech. It is in the booklet with you, and because of the rain, and I want to give chance to the representative of Minister for Education, Advocate Ogamba Migosi, atoa uchumbe yake. Mine is to thank the guests of honors who are students and their teachers. Principals, asante sana for steering education in Nyamira County, which now stands with an average mean of 6+, from 4.5 to 6, increasing by 1.5 units. We, as a government, we are happy with the support teachers and parents are giving education. And everybody else, you saw some stakeholders here. Akina KMET, Akina banks, and others. We have gratitude for your gesture to make sure that the education continue improving. As our county will continue building pre-unity classes every year, and also we have increased the funding for TVETs and the county polytechnics. For the first time, from second term of this month, of next month, which is May, the government has provided some money to produce and supply a cup of uchi, fortified uchi, to our ECD students. We realize that most families do not have enough food to feed their kids in terms of nutritional balance. We have taken that step to feed all our 30,000 students with a cup of fortified uchi every day. And I believe that one will increase enrollment. It will also develop our kids to be better learners tomorrow. We'll still need support from our stakeholders, like the MP. We thank you so much for what you are doing.